the Gold Line is a 10-mile bus rapid transit project. It's running from downtown St. Paul out kind of along Interstate 94 out to Woodbury. In 2024, the majority of the work that happened was completing all of the station infrastructure, working on the guideway itself. So bridges that you see, some underpasses, we have 2 underpasses, and then a lot of things that you don't really pay attention to, like fiber work, so that all of the cameras work and the real-time signs. And then traffic signals. It'll be the first bus rapid transit project and dedicated guideway on the east side of St. Paul and out into the eastern suburbs. It just offers a lot more opportunity for people to use service when they need it. It's just going to be there for them, so that's great. We're able to deliver this project on schedule, on time, and under budget. So our team has just done a great job in delivering this project. The community has been really patient and just a lot of support from our elected officials in the community. So thanks to everybody for your support.